In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation, a social media post, or any other visual content, embedding a video can add a dynamic touch that engages your audience. Let's walk through the process step by step, making sure you feel confident and clear by the end. First, start by finding the YouTube video that you want to embed. This is an important step because the video's content should align with your design's goals and your audience's interests. Once you've selected your video, simply head to the browser's address bar at the top of your screen. From there, you can highlight the URL and copy it. Think of this URL as the bridge that will connect your Canva project to the content on YouTube. With the video URL safely copied, our next destination is canva.com. So open your browser and type in Canva's web address. As you arrive at the Canva homepage, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account if you aren't logged in already. This ensures that your work is saved to the correct profile. Once you've logged in, click on Continue to proceed into your Canva workspace. After that, it's time to create something exciting. Click on Project and choose your design or the template you'd like to work on. Maybe it's a slideshow, a social media graphic, or any of the numerous templates Canva offers. Your choice here will tailor your creative efforts to the specific needs of your project. Now, keep your eyes on the left-hand side of the Canva editor. This is your toolbox. Look for the Apps icon. Give it a click. This area is where you can find all sorts of integrations that Canva offers to enhance your designs. Type Embed in the search bar. As you start typing, the Embed app option will appear below. Click on the Embed app icon and then hit Open. This is where the magic happens. A box will pop up eagerly waiting for that video URL you copied earlier. Paste your YouTube video URL into this box. This is the key step that joins your Canva creation with your selected YouTube content. Once you've pasted the URL, you'll see the option to add to design. Clicking this button will promptly insert the video into your work area. And there you have it. The video is now embedded and ready for you to move, resize, and integrate into your design as you see fit. Ensure it fits seamlessly within your visual storytelling to captivate your audience. With these steps, you've just learned how to add an engaging element to your Canva project, bringing in the power of video to make your design come alive.